Okay guys, so I'm just starting with one eye already done and my eyes already concealed, so I'm just taking this wine color and putting it on my lid. Okay you guys, so next I'm just taking these 3 pink colors and putting it right with that wine color to brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so next I'm taking that black color and putting it right in the crease of my eye just to smoke it out a little bit. Next I'm taking that brown and putting it right where the black is. Okay you guys, so next I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm trying to go for like a slight cut crease just so I can put the gold on my lid. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking those 2 gold colors and putting it on my lid, and I'm just spraying my brush a little bit so I can apply better. Next you want to take any kind of glitter liner. Okay, so next I'm just taking my dip brow and shaping it so I can put my eyeliner on. Next, I'm just going in with some foundation. Now, I'm not the best at putting foundation on. I'm still trying to find the right foundation that matches my skin color. So if you guys know any good foundations, then comment down below. Now I'm just concealing my under eye, so yeah. Hey you guys, so next I'm applying contour just so I can get ready for my highlight. Now as you can see, I'm applying my highlighter to both of my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead. Apply some mascara to both eyes. Then you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you.